Welcome my dear friend on whatever you need to download Clubhouse on Android plus the whole process to install and set up. Get the best option me personally I have used. Isn't fair. Officially Android users are not covered yet inside the Clubhouse device as Paul and Rowan the co-founders stated, we've desired to construct Clubhouse for everybody. With this in thoughts, we are pleased to begin work on our Android app quickly, and to feature extra accessibility and localization capabilities in order that people all around the international can revel in Clubhouse in a manner that feels native to them. The best solution me personally able to join the app is to download APK folder inside the description and take the steps. First you click on the link, then you'll in this web page, click on the assets location, download the first option. After you installation you may some caution letters you can comply with the method as I did and you could take your own dangers. Use your phone number to get the activation code and you get into the waiting list. Clubhouse will test the contacts to your cellular telephone to look when you have a users already within the app. This could take a couple of minutes. In case you do have a person already the use of the app, they will be notified automatically and might provide you get proper of get entry to 2. For more similar videos please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.